Here are some websites that offer free video enhancement using AI. Let's enhance. This website offers free online video enhancement using AI algorithms. It has a simple interface and allows you to enhance video quality by upscaling, denoising, and color correction. Vance AI. Vance AI is another website that offers free video enhancement using AI. It has advanced features like super resolution, denoising, and sharpening that can enhance video quality. Departed.io. This website offers free video enhancement using AI algorithms based on neural style transfer. It allows you to transform videos into art-like styles, which can be a unique way to enhance video quality. Rimini. This website offers free video enhancement using AI that can improve video quality by reducing noise and increasing resolution. It has an easy-to-use interface that allows you to enhance videos with a single click. Video Enhance AI. Video Enhance AI is a paid software, but it offers a free trial version that allows you to enhance up to 5 videos for free. It uses advanced AI algorithms to enhance video quality by upscaling, denoising, and removing artifacts. Note that while these websites offer free video enhancement, the quality of the results may vary depending on the input video quality, the complexity of the algorithms used, and other factors. It is always a good idea to test these services on a small sample of your videos before committing to a full-scale enhancement. Don't miss a single beat of our awesome content. Hit that subscribe button and join our community today.